back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the channel. Also, click the post notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. Current subscribers, welcome back. If you see my face before, welcome back. So, for those that don't... Hey guys, my name is Candace. For those that don't know, I did actually have VSG surgery, but I wanted to drop a video. I know it's been a minute. Today I made a chicken and spinach dip. It's really a dip, but I added chicken to increase the protein. And because my stomach is so small, this will be a meal for me. But I wanted to come on here, chit chat with you guys while I'm making this dip. I will add the ingredients that I added to the dip in case you want to make it. For those that, you could still add chicken to it. Even if you're going to eat it as a dip with tortilla chips or Doritos or whatever you decide that you want to make it with. I did actually add Greek yogurt to it just to also increase the protein levels to it. You could possibly use cream cheese in it if you wanted to. But the ingredients that I used was 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. I used 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of Mexican cheese, and 1 cup of cheddar cheese. One package of frozen spinach. Also a package of the Knorr vegetable dip mix. So those are the ingredients that I used. And then I used 1 small onion, as you can see me putting that in the dish. And then I mixed everything up. Everything was incorporated together. And then I put it in a baking dish. You do actually bake it on 350 between 20 and 30 minutes just to allow the cheese to melt. I did not uncover it. I actually covered it with aluminum foil and let that, pretty much cook that way. And when I tell you, guys, this was so good. I really, really enjoyed it. Even though I can't eat that much, I still can only eat probably maybe about, I'll say about 2.5 ounces, between 2.5 and 3 ounces of food. But I thought I would come on here and drop a video for you guys. For at least, because I did actually make this. This was the first time that I made this, but it came out really, really well. So yeah, if you decide to make this particular dish, definitely let me know. Leave me a comment. I appreciate the love, the support, the people that have waited for me to drop another video. I know it's taken me a while, so just hang in there with me, bear with me, and I will drop videos. Continue to try to drop videos whenever I do actually make a recipe or do a dish. I'm not at the point where I can, cook 2 to 3 times because of my stomach being so small. But I will try and add more and more videos as the weeks go by. Whenever I do actually cook, I just got to the point where I am cooking because I'm on the soft food stage. I have another appointment coming up within about a week. So hopefully they will add more food into my diet, and then I will be able to cook a little bit more, and then we can kind of go from there. But I definitely hope you enjoy this video. And yeah, that I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update, let you know what's been going on with me and things of that sort. Yeah, so also just say this or put it out there. If there are any kind of low carb dishes that are like, like dips or that are actually like soft, definitely leave the comments below, and I can definitely do those particular videos and drop them for you guys. Um, so that's another option. Anything that will incorporate like soft veggies, like, whether it's spinach or any kind of like leafy vegetables. I can't have broccoli or cauliflower as of yet. Um, Once I can, then that'll, pretty much be cool. But as of right now, that's not something I can have because my understanding is broccoli and cauliflower gives you like really bad gas. And it's not really a soft food unless you probably like really overcooked it. Um, like a lot. But yeah, if you have a dip or something like that you would like to see me cook or something like that, I can definitely do that. I can eat ground meats as well. So if there's a dish that you would like to see on the channel that consists of that, just leave that below. And then I will look into adding that. This video, as you can probably see, is only about 11 minutes. So it's a fairly short video. So yeah. But I'm going to come back soon and talk to you guys and give you another update when I drop the video. I know before you guys told me you like the voiceovers a lot better because there's not like a lot of empty spaces and things of that sort. Sometimes it can be hard when I'm cooking and trying to talk to you guys at the same time. So I kind of enjoy or prefer doing the voiceovers on the video instead of trying to talk throughout the video, because it just makes it a lot easier for me. And then it also, I think it kind of helps you all want to watch the video as well. So, all right. So now I'm just adding a little bit of extra mozzarella cheese to the dish and mixing it up. So all of that is actually mixed up. Then the last step was to pretty much add the chicken and mix that up like thoroughly to get that well incorporated. When I tell you this made so much that I end up using a second can of chicken because I end up making like 2 separate dishes of the dip. I bought some containers like some silicone containers. That way I'll be able to freeze some of it. So I will add it to the silicone containers, put them in the freezer. It actually came with lids. And then after I put them in the freezer, it freezes up. And then I'll be able to take it out of the silicone containers and put them in some vacuum seal bags. The vacuum seal bags, obviously, they save from anywhere between 6 months to a year. So they'll be able to last in the freezer for quite some time. So that's what I plan to do because it made so much dip. But, if you have like a family or whatnot, but because it's just me, this just made way too much. And with my stomach only holding, 2.5 to 3 ounces of food, like, I'll be eating off of this for weeks if I didn't freeze some of it. So I definitely plan to freeze some of it because, yeah, I'm not going to eat this for 2 and 3 weeks. That's just not going to work. By that time, I will be sick and tired of eating the dip. And it's really, really good. So I don't want to get tired of it. So I really, really hope you guys give this dip a try. I think you will really, really enjoy it. I got this particular recipe from a friend of mine. And then she told me that she typically used to make it around around football season and things of that sort. So now you can see the end results and what it came out to look like. Please leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Until the next video, I'll talk to you soon.